All right, working from home. That's my lunch break. Clocking out. Let's do some car stuff. Sounds pretty good. It's a beautiful day. I want to take the S4 out, give her a nice wash, vacuum her. I don't really have many plans for today, but this is my plan. If you guys didn't know, I threw some wheels on the daily driver. Not bad, suits the body style pretty good. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good. Decent fitment. These are kind of weak specs, but I put on a big spacer, so. This thing is getting tinted next week, 5%. It's getting lowered. I'm lowering it a few inches, which will be kind of cool. But no daily talk today. We're gonna have fun with this one. Dude, it's so dirty. I feel so bad. I put it in the garage, but we're renovating right now, so there's literally no room in the garage. I give her a nice cleaning today. Man, I miss driving this thing every day. But honestly, that thing is so nice to drive that I kind of don't miss driving this every day. I don't know, it's difficult. Honestly, that looks pretty good. Let me know if you guys want more videos on that. I know there's a few people that really don't give a crap about that and care more about this thing. But I like that probably just as much as I like this car. I just remembered that I ordered this. It's a window suction cup mount for the camera. So, I thought it'd be pretty cool to, oh shoot. Well, that's pretty good, huh? I thought it'd be pretty good to record a driving video in the S4. So we might give that a shot too. I don't know how well this is filming. You can't really see anything over this. Brake boost. 45 mile per hour brake boost. So I have a written warning in this part of Mexico. So I am gonna calm down and go back across the border into the States and go home. I need some suggestions for this car. Bless you. Jesus. For you guys that are watching these videos for the S4, I know some of you are out there. What do you want to see? You know, like, do you want to see, like, more driving clips? Do you want to see, like, I don't know, like, experimenting with tunes? Because I kind of bought this car blindly. Not blindly, but I bought this car with a Stage 2 tune that I'm not really familiar with. So I was doing some research on retuning it. I know there's a couple of flash tunes out there for this car that that some people really vouch for, like Blake Beatles tune. If you guys are B5 guys, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Let me know if you guys would like to see like a little segment on different tunes on this car and like comparing them. Right now it's on a pretty conservative tune. No boost gauge or anything, and so I don't really know how much pounds of boost it's running. Probably like 16 from what I heard. If I were to guess, it's probably making like 280, 290 wheel horsepower. So I know that some Stage 2 tunes out there, like Blake Beatles, claims like 75 horsepower over stock, and stock is 250. So it should be a pretty good power gain. But let me know what you guys want to see. Right now, like, I just put wheels on it. I wanted to do some aero stuff like a lip. I tried the Cooper R lip, but it didn't fit this bumper. I have an aftermarket RS4 front bumper, and it's hard to find a lip for it. Also, it's really low, and it's like too low, kind of. So like, I kind of don't want to put a lip on it because it's just like really lip low. I do need like side skirt diffusers. I was looking at some Maxton ones, but they're literally back ordered until like November or October. It's kind of crazy. I will be making, which, did we order that plastic sheet?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so.
No, we didn't.
No, I'm gonna order some ABS plastic sheets. I'm gonna make some like those like rally like window vents for the rear, just to keep me busy because I'm kind of bored and kind of want to do stuff on a budget. So stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll make some side skirt extensions or something. Maybe make a lip. I don't know. I don't really want to make a lip like I just said. But just let me know if you guys want to see more footage on this and like what exactly you want to see, because like I'm having fun driving it, but like I don't know what else to do for mods without having to go like big turbos and stuff, because that's expensive. So yeah, let me know. That's why I've been having fun making videos of the Grand Marquis, and I know some of you guys don't want to see that, but like it's like getting a stock car and modding it all over again, especially because it's cheap to mod. So yeah, let me know. And did that car leave yet? He's still there eating his cheeseburger. Also, hopefully those driving clips are good. Never tried that before. That was my first time. Hopefully I can use some sort of like warp stabilization in post to like take away some of the shakiness. Alright, well, I never got to take those pictures because that car never left. He's probably doing something inappropriate or illegal. I don't know. So, never got pictures of this thing, which is kind of sad because it's so nice out. But sorry if this was kind of a boring video. Like I said, I just wanted to film something and just like edit, and you know, I also wanted to try that suction cup mount. So let me know what you want me to do with it. Give me some ideas for that thing, and catch you guys in the next one.